Hi,
Hello, how can I help you today?
can I have a large pepperoni pizza, please?
Sure, we have three sizes, small, medium, and large. Are you sure you want the large?
Yes, definitely large. I'm really hungry.
Great choice. Would you like to add a drink to your order?
Yes, a bottle of water.
Perfect. By the way, we have a special deal today. If you add fries or a side salad, you get a 10% discount on your drink.
Sounds good. I'll take fries as well.
Awesome. Dine in or take out?
Takeout, please.
All right, that will be $14. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
Card, please.
Thank you. Your order will be ready in about 10 minutes.
Great, thanks.
Hello, welcome. What can I get for you?
Hi, I'd like a vegetarian pizza, please.
Sure. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Would you like extra cheese on that?
Yes, please. That sounds perfect.
Great choice. Any drinks or sides?
Maybe a small salad and a lemonade.
Got it. Just to let you know, we have a combo deal today. A medium pizza, a side salad, and a drink for only $15. It saves you a bit of money.
Perfect. I'll take the combo.
Wonderful. Dine in or take out?
Dine in.
Perfect. That will be $15. Cash or card?
Cash, please.
Hello. Thank you for calling Pizza House. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to order 2 large cheese pizzas for delivery.
Sure. Would you like to try our family deal? It includes 2 large pizzas and a 2-liter soda for only $25.
That sounds great. Yes, please.
Wonderful. Can I have your address, please?
123 Green Street, apartment 5B.
Got it. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
I'll pay cash when the order arrives.
Perfect. Your total is $25. Delivery will take about 30 minutes.
Great, thank you.
Thank you for calling Pizza House. Have a great day. Here you go. 1 large pepperoni pizza, fries, and a bottle of water.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Have a great day. Hello, Pizza House. How can I help you?
Hi, do you have gluten-free pizza?
Yes, we do. Would you like to place an order?
Yes, please.
1 small gluten-free pizza with chicken. Would you like any drinks or desserts?
No, just the pizza.
All right. May I have your address, please?
456 Maple Avenue, house number 10.
Perfect. That will be $11. Delivery time is about 25 minutes. Cash or card?
Cash, please.
Great. Thank you for calling Pizza House.
Hi, I need 2 large pizzas, 1 with extra cheese and 1 with mushrooms.
Of course. Would you like to hear about our special deal today?
No, thank you. Just the pizzas, please. I'm in a hurry.
Understood. Dine in or take out?
Takeout, please, and make it quick.
We'll do our best. That will be $24.
Here's cash.
Excuse me, can I get a slice of chocolate cake?
Of course. Would you like to eat it here or take it with you?
Here, please.
All right, that will be $3.
Hello, Pizza House. How can I help you?
Hi, I'm having a small party tonight. I need 5 large pizzas, 3 pepperoni, 1 vegetarian, and 1 cheese.
Wow, that sounds like a fun party. Would you like to add drinks? We have a special offer on drinks today.
Yes, 5 bottles of soda, please.
Got it. May I have your address?
789 Oak Street, house number 14.
Perfect. Your total will be $72. Delivery will take around 40 minutes. Would you like to pay now by card or when the driver arrives?
I'll pay by card right now.
Sure thing. Please hold for a moment while I process the payment. Your payment is successful. Thank you so much. Your order will be there soon.
Great, I appreciate it.
Here you go. 2 large pizzas, 1 with extra cheese and 1 with mushrooms.
Perfect, thanks. Hello, Pizza House Delivery. Here are your 2 large cheese pizzas and the soda.
Awesome. Here's $25. Keep the change.
Thank you so much. Enjoy your meal and have a great evening.
Thanks, you too.
Goodbye.
Here are some useful English words and expressions you can learn from the pizza shop story. These words will help you order food, talk to a cashier, and understand phone conversations about delivery. Takeout. Ordering food to take home instead of eating at the restaurant. Example, I'd like my pizza for takeout, please. Dine in. Eating food inside the restaurant. Example, we want to dine in tonight. Receipt. a small paper you get after paying for something. Example, here is your receipt. Thank you for your order. Cash or card. Asking if someone will pay with money, cash, or a credit or debit card. Example, would you like to pay by cash or card? Deal, combo deal. A special offer where you get more items for less money. Example, today's combo deal includes pizza, fries, and a drink. Delivery, when food is brought to your house by the restaurant. Example, I need 2 pizzas for delivery, please. Order, asking for food or drinks at a restaurant or by phone. Example, I'd like to order a medium vegetarian pizza. Extra cheese, adding more cheese than usual to your pizza. Can I have extra cheese on my pizza, please? Address, the place where you live or want the food delivered. Can you give me your address for delivery? Keep the change, when you give more money than the total and tell the person not to give back the extra. Here's $20. Keep the change.